So here we have set 50 numbers of MCQ here for just model question. So here 801, if we start from here, so 801 to 850. So here from the chapter telecommunication and network, telecommunication is the exchange of dash over significant distance by electronic means and refers to all types of voice data and video transmission. So here telecommunication is the exchange of information over significant distance by electronic means and refers all types of voice data and video transmission. Answer is B. The internet, the web, intranet and extranet are dash business. That dash means network business. Network business process that employees together and connected them to their customer, supplier and other business stakeholders. Here answer is network. Dash technology defines the electronic devices that communication in air without cables using radio frequency signal. So using radio
wireless.
Yes, so here wireless. So wireless technology defines the electronic devices that communicate in air without cable using radio frequency signals. The dash is a public and global communication. So here the internet. The internet is a public and global communication network that provides direct connectivity to anyone via LAN and the internet service provider, that means ISP. So your answer is internet. The internet is a public and global communication network. Interoperability means the ability to information system to work together within across the organization boundaries in order to advance the effective delivery of service for individual and communication. So interoperability means, so here answer is basically true. Interoperability means the ability to information system to work together within the across organizational boundaries in order to advance the effective delivery of service for individuals and communication. Dash is the arrangement. Here dash means network topology. Network topology is the arrangement of the elements of a communication network. Answer D. Network topology is the arrangement of the element of a communication network. Which switch opens a circuit to establish a link between a sender and the receiver. It remains open until the communication session is completed. So circuit switching is the opens of circuit to establish a link between sender and receiver. It remains open until the communication session is completed. In which switch messages are divided into fixed or variable length packet and packet are sent across network. So here is packet. Your answer is packet switching. So packet switching is the messages are divided into fixed or variable length packets and packets are sent across the network. The two types of widely used dash are peer-to-peer and network server. The two types of widely used network architecture. So the two types of widely used network architectures are peer-to-peer network, also P2P, and client server network. Answer here A. VPN, a virtual private network, extend a private network across the public network and enable users to send and receive data across shared or public network as their computing service were directly connected to the private network. Answer true. Which of the following is a wired telecommunication technology? Wire. Here Wi-Fi is not wired, Bluetooth no wire, LTE no wire, fiber optics.
Sir, fiber optics.
Yes, sir. So fiber optics is a wired telecommunication technology. Which of the following is a protocol used to sending and receiving email message? So here STPM, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, is the protocol used for sending and receiving email message. Answer C. So if we see the picture here, so sender through the SMTP. SMTP means Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. Sender's mail server is here through the internet. Same thing. Receiver's mail server is here. This receiver is receiving through SMTP is the sending and receiving email message. Which network topology connects all devices in a linear sequence? Answer bus topology. So bus network topology connects all devices in a linear sequence. Answer A, bus topology. Which wireless technology provides short range communication between devices? Short range communication between devices. Answer NFT. NFT mean near field communication is the wireless technology provides short range communication between devices. What is the purpose of router in a network? So purpose of router is connect different networks together. So purpose of a router in a network is connect different networks together. Answer A. Which of the following is an example of a public network? So public network is internet. Which of the following is example of a public network? Internet. Which network protocol is used to assign IP address to device in a network? Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol DHCP is used to assign IP address to devices on a network. Here answer is D. Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol is used to assign IP address to devices on a network. Which of the following is a telecommunication standard for mobile networking?
4G.
4G. So 4G is a telecommunication standard for mobile networking. Information technology in audit. What is the role of information technology in the audit process? Information technology in the audit side. What is the role of information technology in the audit process? So what is the role? It means automatic financial transaction. It's okay. Enhancing data accuracy. Also correct. Providing real-time reporting. It's also true. So answer is all of the above. Question is that what is the role of information technology in the audit process? Role of information technology in the audit process is automating financial transaction, enhancing data accuracy, providing real-time reporting. Answer is D, all of the above. Which of the following is an example of an IT control of an audit context? IT control of an audit context. Basically, segregation of duty is the answer. That means segregation of the duties is an example of an IT control in an audit context. Which of the following is an example of an IT governance framework? IT governance framework. There are a lot of frameworks we have. We know COSO, IFRS, we know, then GAP, and COVID. So answer, basically answer is COVID. So what is COVID? COVID means control objective for information and related technologies is the IT governance framework. Who are working in internal audit and they should learn it. So IT governance framework is control objectives for information and related technologies. What is the primary objective of an IT audit? So primary objective of an IT audit is ensuring compliance and IT policy and regulation, evaluating the efficiency in IT system and process, identify IT risks and vulnerability. It's also okay. So answer is D, all of the above. The primary objective of an IT audit is ensuring compliance with IT policies and regulations, evaluating the efficiency of IT systems and process, identifying IT risks and vulnerabilities. So answer is D, all of the above. What is the purpose of conducting an penetration test in an IT audit? Penetration test. So what is the purpose of conducting penetration test? Purpose is identifying vulnerability and potential security breach. Answer is C. The purpose of conducting an penetration test in an IT audit is identifying vulnerability and potential security breach. So it is the penetration testing is here. What is the purpose of data analysis in IT audit? Data analysis in IT audit, identifying control weakness, detecting fraud patterns, assigning IT system performance, also correct. So answer is all of the above. What is the purpose of data analysis in an IT audit? Identifying control weakness, detecting fraud patterns, assigning IT system performance. All of the above. Answer is D. What is the role of IT general control in an IT audit? Role of IT general control of an IT audit is monitoring system access and security. Answer B. So the role of IT general control in an IT audit is monitoring system access and security. Monitoring system access and security. Answer B. Which of the following is an example of an IT audit procedure? Reviewing network security log is an example of an IT audit procedure. Answer A. What is the purpose of an IT audit report? So purpose of IT audit report is documenting audit findings and recommendation. The purpose of an IT audit report is documenting audit findings and recommendations. Your answer is A. What is the significance of continuous monitoring in IT audit? The significance of continuous monitoring in IT audit: ensuring real-time visibility into IT system activity, identifying the addressing control deficiency promptly, right? Automatic audit process for efficiency and accuracy, also right. So answer is D, all of the above. The significance of continuous monitoring of IT audit is ensuring real-time visibility into IT system activities, identifying and addressing control deficiencies promptly, automating the audit process and efficiency and accuracy. Which of the following is not an IT resource? Not an IT resource. Here hardware, software, data, employees. So answer is employees. Employees not the IT resource, but hardware, software, data, all are the IT resource. Which of the following technologies enable chartered accountants to automated financial transaction and record keeping process? Answer is cloud computing. Cloud computing technologies enable chartered accountant to automated financial transaction and record keeping process. Answer is C, cloud computing. Cloud computing technologies enable to automated financial transaction and record keeping process. Cloud computing. Which of the following is a correct statement about IP address? So IP address are assigned to devices by the ISP. IP address are assigned to devices by the ISP. So is the correct statement about IP address? If you see this picture through the ISP, internet ISP, they find the IP address. So what is the purpose? They find the IP address. What is the purpose of modem in computer networking? Modem converts digital data into analog signals from transmission over telephone lines. Answer A. The purpose of modem is computer network is it converts digital data to analog signals for transmission over telephone lines. What does DCP stand for? DCP stand for transmission control protocol. Transmission control protocol means TCP. So TCP is a core protocol of the Internet Protocol suite that provides reliable, ordered, and error-checked delivery of data between applications. So transmission protocol stands for TCP. Which of the following devices is used to connect multiple computers to a single network connection? Answer: switch. Switch is used to connect multiple computers to a single network connection. Switch is used to connect multiple computers within a local area network and allow them to communicate with each other. So here answer is switch. This is the switch. Which of the following network topologies provide redundancy and fault tolerance? Which network topology? Answer: mesh topology. So what is mesh topology? Mesh topology, in a mesh topology, every device is connected to every other devices, providing multiple paths for data transmission. This redundancy and fault tolerance make it suitable for critical application where reliability of the importance. So here mesh topology are two types. One is partial connected, another is fully connected. So it is the partial connected and fully connected. That means each and every point is connected each other. So is the answer is mesh topology. So mesh topology network topologies provide redundancy and fault tolerance. Which of the following is a commonly used of telecommunication protocol for sending email?
Simple mail transfer protocol.
Yes, SMTP. So we know SMTP is a widely used protocol for sending and receiving email messages on the internet. It defines how email messages are sent and delivered between mail servers. Answer: SMTP. Answer A. What is the primary purpose of a modem in telecommunication? To convert digital signals into analog signal at the telephone line. Answer A. So primary purpose of a modem in a telecommunication to convert digital signal into analog signal for transmission over traditional telephone line. What is the purpose of PBX? PBX means private branch exchange in telecommunication. So PBX purpose is to connect telephone lines within an organization and enable internal communication. Answer D. Purpose of PBX is to connect telephone line within an organization and enable internal communication. Answer D. PBX is a private telephone network used within an organization. It connects internal telephone lines, allow user to share external phone line, and provide features such as call forwarding, voicemail, and configuration. And also that question is modem. So here if you write up of modem are used to modulate digital data from computers into analog signal suitable for transmission over telephone lines, then devolve analog signal back into digital data into the receiving end. Which of the following is a commonly used telecommunication standard for cellular network?
Global system for mobile communication.
Yes, GSM, Global System for Mobile Communication. GSM is a commonly used telecommunication standard for cellular network. So GSM means widely adopted standard for cellular network used by mobile services. It enables voice and data communication over mobile network and support features like text message, SMS, and internet access. Which layer of the OCI model responsible for ensuring reliable end-to-end communication between network device? End-to-end communication. Which network? transport layer is responsible for ensuring reliable end-to-end communication between network device. So what is transport layer? The transport layer is responsible for reliable end-to-end communication between network device. So transport layer is here. Look here. This is transport layer under the TCP and UDP. Transport layer is reliable or responsible ensuring reliable end-to-end data transfer. It provides mechanism such as segmentation, flow control, and error recovery, ensuring data integrity and proper delivery. So here answer is transport layer. So this is our all layer is here, the OCI basis and TCP model. So another from that OSI model, which layer of the OSI model is responsible for logical addressing and routing the packet across multiple network? This is network layer. Yes. So network layer, the network layer is responsible for logical addressing and routing the packet across the multiple networks, determines the optimal path for packet delivery and handle address, subnetting and routing packet. So here answer is network layer. So network layer of the OSI model is responsible for logical addressing and routing the packets across multiple network. Answer C. Which
OSI এর full form টা কি?
Open System Interconnection Model, which Open System Interconnection. Open System Interconnection.
Open System Interconnection.
Interconnection. এটা মডেল, এটা হলো 7টা লেয়ার আছে এটা।
Thank you, sir.
জি। So here, which layer of the OSI model deals with the physical transmission of data over network medium? Physical layer is the responsible.
Answer.
Yes. So physical layer is responsible for the physical transmission of data over the network medium. So here answer A, physical layer. The physical layer is responsible for the physical transmission of data over the network medium. It defines the electronical, mechanical and functional specification for the physical connection between network devices. Answer A, physical layer. Now, which layer of the OSI model is the responsible for error detection and correction at the bit level? The level is data link layer. Data link layer of the OSI model is responsible for error detection and correction of the bit level. So data link layer responsibility is that. So here the data link layer is responsible for error detection and correction at the bit level. It ensures reliable data transfer between adjacent network devices, forming data into frames and handling flow control. So your answer is data link layer. Now, which layer of the OSI model provides service such as encryption, compression and decryption? This layer is presentation layer. So presentation layer, if you see this picture, this is the presentation layer. Here encrypted, decrypted within this layer. So presentation layer of the OSI model provides service as a encryption, decryption, etc. So it ensures the data exchange between network application is properly formed and understood by the receiving end. Which of the following protocol commonly use file sharing and sourcing sharing of each network? Which protocol? This the answer is file transfer protocol. FTP. So FTP is commonly used for file sharing and resource sharing of each network. FTP commonly used for file sharing. It allows users to transfer file between computer over a network and provide a connecting with the share access the file. So your answer is FTP. Which of the following network topologies is commonly used for office network due to the scalability of the flexibility? Here star topology. Star topology is commonly used for office network due to its flexibility. In this topology, all devices are connected to a central switch or hub, making easy to add or remove devices without affecting the entire network. That's why it is fixed flexible. So star topology is commonly used in office network. Which cloud networking model sharing physical network infrastructure with other organization? We know there are a lot of things, that means public cloud, private cloud, hybrid cloud, etc. Here answer is public cloud. This public cloud networking model involve sharing physical network infrastructure with other organization. Answer is public cloud. So public cloud is this. Look here. This is the private cloud. Privately using the organization is the public cloud. Use more than one organization publicly. So here public cloud networking model involves sharing physical network infrastructure with other organization. Which cloud networking service provide a virtual private network VPN connect between an premises network and the cloud? Answer cloud VPN. Cloud VPN here. So cloud VPN networking service provide a virtual private network connect between an on-premises network and the cloud. Here cloud VPN is here. This cloud VPN is a cloud networking service that provides secure encrypted virtual private network connection between an organization and network the cloud. It enables secure communication and connectivity between two environments. And the public cloud network model, the network infrastructure, then public cloud provides other network, etc. So which cloud networking component provide traffic distribution and load balancing across multiple cloud yes, the load যেহেতু আছে এখানে load balancing. So আসলে answer load balancing. So what is load balancing? A load balancing is a cloud networking component that distributes network traffic across multiple cloud instance or servers. It helps optimize resource utilization, improve performance, and ensure high availability of application or service in the cloud. So here answer is load balancing. Load balancing cloud networking component provide traffic distribution and load balancing across the multiple cloud instantly. Which cloud network concept automatic scaling the network resource based on the predefined condition? So if you see cloud networking concept enable automatic scaling the network resource based predefined condition, elastic networking. So elastic network cloud networking concept enable automatic scaling a network resource based on the predefined condition. Elastic network is a cloud network concept that allow network resource to automatically scale up and down basis on predefined condition of demand. It enables the network to adapt to change network of traffic pattern, ensuring optimal performance and resource utilization. So here answer is C. This we have completed 850 numbers of MCQ. So thanking you all.